Princess Squad, it's T here. Welcome back to another What Did I Buy at Five Below. So I went to Five Below and I found some cute items. Remember that one trend about the clay cracking that you'd make your own? Well, they finally sell it in stores and that's what I got. Got a whole bunch of them. They're super cute. They're all these random fruits and they call it sensory smushers, but you know what it is. It's clay cracking. So I did see 6 different kinds, so I bought one of each just to test it out. It says you can smash, scrunch, stretch, and play. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness, I am so excited, you guys. I think I'm gonna have a blast playing with these and going to get the best ASMR and sensory satisfaction with these. So for my first impression, I will say that these are hard like a rock. Like super hard. I feel like they're not like a clay material. I feel like you can totally knock someone out by throwing, that kind of hurts, throwing this at somebody, so don't do that. So yeah, super cute. I wouldn't think that there is anything inside, but there definitely is because on this one, I see something ooze out right here. But let's go ahead and open one of these up. We're gonna start with this pineapple. So I don't know how I feel about this, you guys. I mean, the clay cracking part was good, but like the putty or slime on the inside is like kind of brittle. You see that? It just like breaks off. I feel like they could do a better job with the slime on the inside. That's just my opinion. It kind of hurts by squeezing it together because all this clay is like rubbing against my palm. I don't know how I feel, but let's go ahead and try the other fruits. Again, like I said, I feel like, I don't know, the slime or putty, it feels like brittle slime or like putty on the inside could be better. Maybe if I keep playing with it, it'll like not break apart. Might have to just like work it in there. But the clay is like falling apart. So I don't know how I feel because these are like $5 each. And so I don't know if this is really worth $5, you guys. I will say that this particular one, consistency is definitely a lot better. Like it's not breaking up, it's not super brittle, it stretches, it looks good with the blue and the purple. This one's not too bad compared to the other two that we played with. So this one, I could see how it would be worth it, but these other two wasn't. Let's try the others. All right, you guys, we got 2 left. Oh my goodness, that was like really nice. I really like the texture of this one. You can stretch it apart compared to the others. It's a little on the brittle side, but definitely compared to the others, it's super cute. And I love the color scheme. It reminds me of Sullivan from Monsters, Inc. Super cute. So if you are going to get one of these, go ahead and get yourself the blue and purple one, whether it's this ice cream or this ice cream one, because it's this one that I think that works the best out of all of them from the batch that I got. Okay, we are down to one last ice cream. Let's test it out. I have no idea what happened here. Like clearly, this one's not having it. Like it is not good. Like it just breaks apart. The slime or putty on the inside is like super brittle. It barely wants to stick together. I have like a million little pieces here. Yeah, I do not recommend this for $5 at Five Below, you guys. So Luckily, I am testing it out so you guys know not to get it. If you really want to try one of these, get the blue and purple one like I said, because this one is pretty satisfying. But I really don't know if I would pay $5 for these. I mean, $3, maybe. $1, yeah, I would pay $1 for it. But $5, save your money and get yourself like a Squishmallow or something else that's more satisfying. Sorry Five Below, sorry Orbs. That's just my personal review and opinion on it. All opinions are my own. Like I said, it's not sponsored. It's what I purchased with my own money at Five Below. But okay, you guys, if you would like more fidget review, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want me to try out something else. And follow us on our TikTok and our Instagram at PrincessSquad.Official for more ASMR and fidget fun. And you guys always remember to dream big, have fun, and